Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can unblock someone in Google Chat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application and open it. Next, click on that three line and click on settings. Scroll down a bit and you will see manage block users in chat. Here you can see your blocked account and there is one cross sign by clicking in which you can unblock the users. So this is how you unblock someone in Google Chat. After clicking on that cross sign, you can see them in your chats. So this is how you unblock someone. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.